Hello friends, welcome to MTM Tech. In this video, I will show you how to search employee data using the filter function in Excel. Let's get started. First, create a new worksheet. And add all the required headings. Now go to the first result cell and type equal filter, open the bracket, go to the data sheet, and select the entire table. Now type a comma, next type is number, open another bracket. Now type search, open the bracket again, go to the search sheet, and select the search box. Now go back to the data sheet, and select the employee name column. Close the search bracket, close the is number bracket. Now type another comma. Type no data inside quotation marks. Close the filter bracket, and press enter. That's it. Now, whenever you type an employee name, the matching records will appear automatically. Let's test it. Type an employee name, and see the results instantly. It's fast, simple, and very useful for office work. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to MTM Tech. See you in the next video.